Wildlife Trust of India is very happy to host this 3-day workshop to discuss legal provisions to ensure compensation in wildlife cases. This is actually a path-breaking thought process in India and also other countries. We have representatives from various countries who are gathered under the CLAW banner.
This workshop is a remarkable opportunity because we have scientists and lawyers and conservationists from all over the world coming together to talk about how they're developing cases in their own countries that are going to help us remedy nature when it's been harmed.
From this workshop, I'm hoping that we will be able to share experiences and also get insights, get interesting discussions on how we can build on our existing cases and also be inspired by insights from colleagues. These types of group meetings are most needed when we face challenges back home on how to make sure that our laws are enforced and our cases are filed, and that we also build on what we have and improve on them.
In my first day here, I already feel so inspired. So we are gathering here to find the solution to provide remedies to biodiversity through legal instruments. I really hope that this workshop will have a lot of impact to the wave of the biodiversity litigation. So this approach is something that is mainstream, and we can actually implement it in our own countries and spread it to our colleagues, lawyers, prosecutors, judges, that this approach is important.
Today's workshop is regarding laws relating to compensatory measures in wildlife crime cases. The participants have discussed about various existing provisions of law and the procedures in respect of giving compensation to in the wildlife crime cases. And the main the reason is to make the remedies which is caused by the crime of wildlife.